Hello everyone, this is Logan, and welcome to App Monday. Today on App Monday, I'm going to be doing an app that was requested a few months ago, but due to several different circumstances, I didn't get around to it until now. So, without further ado, here's the app. It is called Fotor. Photo editor, photo collage, and photo something else, but I can't actually read it because the text is a bit too long. So, this is made by Chengdu Ever Imaging Science. I believe that's how you pronounce the first name, Chengdu. That's the only pronunciation I can think of. But this was actually, like I said, requested to me through the YouTube messaging system, and this person said, hey, I created this app. It's fairly popular among photographers. Please review it so that I can get a bit more traffic. And I thought, okay, that sounds like it might be fun. So I downloaded the app, and this is a very good app. So before we go any further, I would like to mention two things. The first is if you want to request an app, whether it's an app that you created or just something else in general, feel free to leave a comment or message me through YouTube. The other thing I want to bring up in relevance to this app is I'm not really into photo editing. I don't have Photoshop, and even if I did, I would not know how to use it. Now, after saying that, and playing around with this app, I can say that with my limited knowledge of photo editing, this is my favorite app out of everything that I've used in the App Store. So basically, it's better than PS Express. So that's pretty nice that as an amateur I can actually conclude that this is a good app. So if we go into developer apps, we can see that Chengdu Ever Imaging have done several apps. They've done three, in fact. Fotor, photo editor. We also have Fotor HDR, multi-style HDR camera, and Snap Story, photo overlays, and picture, I presume, camera, but again, the text is a bit too long. So, let's go into Fotor, and let's take a picture. So, you can do this right in the app itself, or you can just import something from the camera roll. It really doesn't matter. So, you can do auto-focusing, you can do that much in the way of editing right on the fly, but then again, you could with the regular camera app. So, let's just take a picture, and let's use that picture. So, right there, as you can see, let's edit. So, as you can see, there's a few different options. You can do enhance, you can do low light, medium light, highlight. Basically, it just adds different levels of light, or you could just have nothing, which keeps it the same, as you might have guessed. Let's leave it to highlight, because I kind of like that. Let's do scenes. So you can basically do different scenes. You can do FX, effects. Okay, that's a bit redundant. FX effects. Okay. You can do this. There's an FX store, and I believe that you can. Yep, there is an in-app purchase that you can do. So let's get out of that. You can manually adjust. Now, this is where I kind of like to go towards, because it gives a bit more fine adjusting. As you can see here, let's see. Yeah, that looks about good. And again, I'm a bit of an amateur, so feel free to leave comments saying, oh, you're doing it wrong. In fact, if you tell me anything I do wrong, I will definitely take it as criticism. I would like to honestly know how to use this app better and kind of like use it on a day-to-day thing. Alright, so that's pretty good. Let's see, what is this? I believe this... I don't know what this does. I think it like I thought it like refocused the app, but I'm not entirely sure. Oh, okay, it says sharpen, so I guess it sharpens it to some degree. Brightness, that obviously makes it brighter or darker or something. I don't know. Oh, I see, it makes the background darker. Well, that's actually kind of nice that it has the technology to do that, but I'm gonna keep it the same. Let's see, that's temperature. Yep, that's basically sort of humidity. We'll leave it at that, let's say. Alright, so if you are done with the photo editing capability, you can just go there. Do you want to save this picture? Yes, I do. And we can go to the camera roll. And there's the picture. So that's pretty much everything. I will definitely say this is perhaps one of the best, like I said, photo editors I've used. And actually, since I kind of compared it to PS Express, let me go into PS Express, because there's one problem with that. And this is perhaps the biggest reason that Fotor is better. Alright, so I'm going to, let's edit a photo, like here. Something, yeah, blah, 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 blah. Let's go to share. Now you see, this looks a bit old-fashioned. This is because this is how it looked in iOS 6. iOS 7 has come out, and as you can see, iOS 7 has adopted a more flat, streamlined design. So, what that means is, Photo hasn't been updated since iOS 7. That's not to say that it won't be, but that's to say that there's a better chance of it not being around as long as Fotor. So, that's a point in Fotor's advantage. And also, just the ease of use of using it, you know, if I was just a regular, like, Snapchatter or Instagrammer or something like that, or maybe I just want to post something to Twitter or Facebook, or who knows, maybe even just edit something for a family member, I can do that pretty quickly and easily with Fotor. So, with that said, I definitely recommend the app. So anyway, bye.